What's another way to train your lower body for better balance? What else could you do besides the feet? How about the hips? Okay? Your hips, all of your body weight here, from your upper body drops to your hips, should be 50-50. The problem is a lot of us will have one set favors more than the other. So if I go here, take a step, at that point I'm going to fall over this way to my left. If I step my right foot, I'm going to fall to my right. Okay? That's a weak hip. I have my patients do is take a chair, something like this. I'm going to do it here. At that point, practice doing lunges. I'm going to come forward, hand on the chair just for balance, take a step forward, my left foot, take a step forward. My modified lunge, keep your body straight the whole time, right? We talked about posture first, body straight, take a step forward, stop, drop the right knee, close to the floor, stop, then come up, stop, take a step back, stop. It's about a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 step process. I just count that up. Right, any questions about that? So here, and again, with the chair for balance, when I come down, use your chair if you need to push yourself up if you need to also. Okay? But again, left foot first, step forward, head up, drop the right knee, stop, halfway down, push yourself up, hold position up top, and take a step back. If you do your left side, then do your right side. Here, right side, right foot forward, drop the foot, drop the left knee, stop, push up, stop, body stayed up the whole time, and take a step back. Any questions about that?